2025 Taubik is the brand, Taubik, pronounced Taubik, and this is the 29T. This is a fully upgraded version from last year, which was a Westridge 2.1. I'll bring that out and show you some differences. Your natural progression, you know, things are newer, they're better, they're upgraded, but they're not even costing that much more. So there are a big difference with this. They only came with a 10 amp hour battery. I don't believe they were a name brand. You've got still a Bifang motor, Altus, that matches. Frame's different. As you can see, there's more space between the seat and the handlebars here, and then the seat and the handlebars here. I should probably do a measurement there. Might as well do a measurement. You probably want to know. I want to know. So middle of the seat to the post, 2 feet. Middle of the seat to the post, 22. It's 2 inches. It matters. Most definitely. Torque sensor, non-torque sensor. Look at the quality of the seat on this one. Look at the quality of the seat on that one. Even the pedals are nicer. The crank is nicer. Now they did put these fenders on, which is great, but Taubik decided to have the purchaser outfit their bike a little bit more to what they wanted. A wider stance on the handlebars. Look how nice and wide these handlebars are. 29 inches, 27 inches. So just a bigger bike all around. Front light is much nicer than this one. That's all. You know, you've got, these are not name brand hydraulic. These are A-Zoom. But it's just a beautiful looking bike. So these are just arriving now. We ship across Canada. They are very easy to assemble. And honestly, Taubik is just, there's so many brands out there. What do you pick? I don't know. You could go with Costco, you could go with that kind of thing, but you've got Taubik that is a Canadian company that literally designs their bikes from top to bottom, brings them in, tests them, and then puts them into production, where you're not typically going to see that with other companies because they just want to go to market and make their money quick. Taubik also does not sell direct, they believe, and only sell through dealers because of the service dealers provide. We are your one-stop shop for parts, repairs, anything like that. Again, it doesn't matter where you live across Canada. If you need anything, your bike falls over, you need new grips, we just ship them right out to you. Yes.